Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing yet another Flipkart haul, and this time I shopped for a lot of Indian outfits from Flipkart. These are all from their wedding wear collection where they're offering up to 80% off. I absolutely love my entire experience of shopping from Flipkart because they have the latest selection with influencer styles that are refreshed every single week. They have the latest selection of genuine good quality international brands. They are Flipkart assured and they go through 6 quality control checks. So you're going to be assured that the quality is going to be amazing. You can shop on Flipkart in 7 vernacular languages, and also Flipkart is the best value for money platform with over 10 lakh products. They have an easy exchange, return and refund policy, and they literally deliver within 48 hours only. ऐसे ही थोड़ी ना बना इंडिया का fashion capital. So this time I shopped for a lot of kurtis, some earrings, a bag even, and I literally brought together 4 different outfits, and the entire budget of these 4 outfits was 4,000 rupees. So if you like divide, each outfit along with the earring and bag came down under rupees 1000, which is so reasonable. So some of the offers that Flipkart is running are for trendy kurtas and full sets from brands like Biba, where they're offering a minimum of 50% off. In case if you want to shop for clutches and handbags, then brands like Lino Peros are offering a minimum of 60% off. And in case if you want to shop for jewelry like jewelry sets, bangles, mangalsutra, etc., then they're offering a 75% off minimum. So let me finally show you all of the items that I bought and show you the looks that I created with them. So there's a bag in here which came so nicely wrapped. It's all wrapped in foam so that the bag doesn't get damaged, which I absolutely love. So this is how the bag looks like. I really love the round shape of the bag. Also the handle is round and it's got all of these diamonds studded on the handle, and it's got all these sequins on the bag. I think it looks so fancy. So this is the bag that I'm going to be pairing with all of the 4 outfits, and I got this at an 80% off just for rupees 640. Next I have 2 pairs of earrings, and I'm going to be pairing them with 2 outfits each. So let me just show you. The first earring came in this case, and inside as well it has bubble wrap, so it's protected really well. And this is what the first pair of earrings look like. I think they are so pretty. They are so long, so beautiful, and they can amp up any outfit. And this is what the second pair of earrings look like. I think they look so beautiful. Again, they're so long, so statement. So the blue earrings I got at an 80% off just for rupees 230, and the silver earrings I got for rupees 310, and they were available at a 55% off. So I'm going to be pairing each of these earrings with 2 outfits, and let me finally show you the outfits now. This is what the first kurta looks like. I love the bright pink color. I think it looks so beautiful, and it has this foil print going on all over the kurti, front as well as on the back. And along with the kurti, it also comes with a pair of pants which has elastics again on the front as well as on the back, and again it has this foil print going on throughout, and on the bottom it has this very beautiful foil design. It's a straight fit pair of pants. The MRP of this was 1,800 rupees, but I got it at approximately 65% off just for rupees 530. And this is the look that I created. I paired the kurta palazzo set along with the silver earrings. It's the perfect kind of an outfit that you can put together for a haldi or for a mehndi look. This is what the next kurti looks like. Again, it has a very beautiful foil print going on, and this time it's not golden foil print, but it's colorful foil print, and it's got the foil print going on all over the kurti on the front as well as on the back. And the best part is the print on the sleeve as well as the print at the end of the kurti. Look at how beautiful it is. This kurti would make for a perfect Sangeet outfit, or for your friend's wedding. You can wear this and just accessorize yourself really beautifully, and I think this would look so beautiful. It's because the color is so bright, the foil print is so bright and vibrant, and all of the colors that they have used in the foil print are also so vibrant. You can literally wear this kurti for any function. You can also wear this maybe for a reception night. I think this would look really good. I got this for a 60% off just for 550 rupees. Again, I'm pairing the silver earrings with this kurti and holding the golden bag, and I think it looks really good. This is the third kurti, and this is very similar to the red one that I just showed you. Again, it has this foil print going on all over, and it's a very bright foil print. The print on the sleeve is the highlight of the entire kurti, and also the print on the bottom of the kurti is really classy. It's got the same foil print going on the front as well as on the back, and the color is really beautiful, and I suggest this for maybe a mehendi function, because the color is so mehendi types, like greens and blues, they go for mehendi functions so well. So I think this would go perfectly for a mehendi function. I got this at a 70% off just for rupees 600. Now this kurti I have styled with the blue green earrings, and I'm holding the same bag, and I think it looks really good. I think the overall look looks really good. And finally, this is the last kurti, and also my favorite one. I love the emerald green color, and this time this is not a foil wala kurti, but this is an embroidery work wala kurti. I absolutely love the embroidery that's going on the neck as well as on the sleeve, on the front and the back. It looks so pretty. And on the rest of the kurti, it has the foil print going on, like the foil dots going on, and at the bottom it's got this red color patti. So the entire highlight of the kurti is the embroidery, the neck pattern, and I think it looks so beautiful. Now this kurti I got for an 80% off for approximately 700 rupees, which is a steal deal. And it also comes with a matching mask, and I have paired it with the blue green earrings. I think it looks so fabulous, and I'm holding the same bag, and this is my favorite outfit out of all of the others that I showed you today. This you can wear for any function. So yeah, that's how I put together 4 outfits, and my total budget was just 3,500 rupees, not even 4,000, and under 3,500 I managed to put together 4 outfits. I absolutely love how beautiful they all were. They are so festive, so wedding season wale outfits, and yeah, the accessories also are really pretty, and the discounts that I received on all of these products were crazy. Like, you literally saw for yourself, each product was at a 50, 60, 70, 80% off. That is how good the discounts were. So I highly recommend you check out Flipkart's sale. They're offering up to 80% off on their entire wedding collection. So if you have weddings coming up, maybe of your friends, your cousins, or in your family, or at your workplace, you can shop for all of these items at crazy discounts and save on so much money. All of the pieces were so trendy, so beautiful, and Flipkart literally refreshes its styles every week. So you're definitely going to get the most fashionable items from Flipkart. The quality of all of the items was also amazing, because they go through 6 quality control checks, and yeah, the delivery was really fast. I literally received all of the items within 48 hours only. So everything about shopping from Flipkart is top notch. I really enjoyed my entire experience. I really like all of the products that I received, and yeah, I'm looking forward to shop for more products from Flipkart. So that was my video for today. If you enjoyed watching it, then please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.